Welcome back to another episode of Tyler's Auto Repair. Today we're going to be reviewing a tool that we purchased off the Cornwell tool truck, and it is the Gearwrench serpentine belt set, remover set. Here is the box. We just removed it out of the box. Part number is right there, I believe. Focus. Part number is 3680D. As usual, comes in a nice hard plastic case. The ratchet wrench, the bit set, pull handle, different adapters. We're going to be using it today to swap the serpentine belt tool set. And here we go. Let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do, you want to take your bit that's going to be the correct size and get the right size on there. It's going to be a 15 millimeter, I believe. It is. Then you're going to want to take it and get it snapped into place like so. Just push it. It has a little C-clip that'll lock it in place. Then you'll just put your little wrench on there, however which way works best for you. Then you'll come down here, be sure to take a mental image of how this belt come off so you can install the new one correctly. Once you get that tension off, you can let go. Slide this out of your way. And then you just remove the belt. Something that I always like to do, I like to take my new belt and just kind of measure it, make sure it's got the right amount of teeth and everything on it. So now we're going to install our new one. Okay, once you've got it all lined up how it needs to go, grab your wrench, put it back on the pulley, As you can see, we have the new one installed. Now, something that is very important and you need to take note of is you need to make sure that your belt is lined up on all the teeth, on all the pulleys, and on the smooth pulleys, it needs to be on the smooth side of the belt. Just a little fun tip for you. Now, overall, you know, first use of the tool, I believe it functioned as it should. They make a bunch of different versions of this tool. This is the updated one that comes with the new orange and black colors that Gearwrench is coming out with. So overall, I believe this was an excellent tool for the job. It helped speed this whole process up. So if you're enjoying these videos, please think about subscribing. And if you want to see a certain video, let me know about it in the comment section. And thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Peace out.